In this video, I'll show you how to automatically mount a new drive every time your Ubuntu starts. Let's make this simple and easy. Let's get started. First, plug in your external or additional drive. Now open the terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T. To list all drives, type lsblk. Find your new drive. It might be something like SDB1 or SDC1. Note it down. We'll need it soon. Next, create a folder where the drive will be mounted. For example, type this command showing on the screen. You can name my drive whatever you like. Now we'll get the unique ID of the drive. Type this command, sudo blkid. Look for the line that shows your drive like /dev/sdb1 and copy the UUID part. We'll now add the drive to a special file called fstab, which handles auto-mounting. Type this command showing on the screen, go to the bottom of the file, and add this line. Replace UUID with yours. If your drive is ntfs or exfat, replace ext4 with the correct file system type like ntfs or exfat. Save and exit by pressing Ctrl plus X then Y and press Enter. That's it. You've now set your drive to mount automatically on startup. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Ubuntu tips. Thanks for watching.